So, to make this less boring, I've got some background music. So, put my phone up to the mic. Tides. A source of philosophical and poetic medium, but something so important it was used to prove the heliocentric model. In 2nd century BCE, philosopher and astronomer Seleucus of Seleucia made a connection from the mysteries of the sea to the moon. He determined that the soul of the moon on each day, along with the spinning of the earth, determined the height of the tides. Since then, we have discovered that it's because of gravitational pull, the attraction of matter between the sun, the moon, and the earth, that creates the tides. Because of Isaac Newton's laws of gravity, we have been able to explain how things like spring tides and neap tides are possible. They are possible because of gravitational pull from the moon and the sun both pull water from the earth. However, this does not mean that they both pull at the same strength. The moon's pull is stronger as it is closer to the earth. Because of this, wherever the moon is up is where the tide is highest, where it's being pulled by the sun is usually the lowest. This creates what is called a tidal bulge around the world. Because of this elliptical bulge, there are two extremes of tide each day. The difference between the high tide and the low tide is called the tidal range. This tidal range varies with the tidal cycle, which is dependent on the placement of the sun and the moon. Like the tidal bulge, there are two extremes in the tidal cycle as well. The spring tide is when the tidal range is the greatest. This happens when the sun and the moon are aligned during a new moon or a full moon. The combined gravitational pull creates the greatest range of the tidal cycle. Likewise, the two times when the tidal range is the weakest is when the moon's gravitational pull is being counteracted by the sun's gravitational pull. This happens during the first and last quarter of the lunar cycle when the moon is half full. This is called the neap tide. But these are just estimated occurrences. Because the Earth also rotates, the tidal bulge is too rotating. Thus, the spring and neap tides are not exactly aligned with the moon, but shifted a bit after. Okay, bye.